my Caesar salad. Ginoo ko ni. It's very big. Look at this. Ni. Big in one order is very big. Oh my God. Where are you
We
going?
go only restaurant, Café des Amis.
Dire mi sa Disanis. Cafe Disanis in Cebu. Nalipay kay nakaagi siyang French restaurant. And siya iya do ipang hambog kay naa daw ang kaparihan nila Oli na bistro. This one, no, it's not here. Maybe this one. Maybe inside. This one, ba?
Café des Amis.
This is Cafe des Amis. So many French. And I'm diri guys sa Cafe des Amis. Nakatuod ra gyud. So dagunaon nagsulod si Balulong. So naa jud mga foreigner. Okay guys, musulod na. Oh, hello. Good afternoon. Oh, it's French food. Tilting ni Payo ni Balulong.
You know French.
Yes. Of course. Real ba?
Look.
Yeah, you can order here.
Ouais,
You can bring in the hotel.
order, sure.
Oh, order na. Gutom na ko. Gutom na ko.
Yeah, first we look the menu.
Yeah. Let's wait the menu there. Our food is coming. Pound na nasa table of our food, guys. Yeah, I ordered my Caesar salad. Ginoo ko ni. It's very big. Look at this. Ni. Big in one order is very big. Oh my God. What am I?
Put on your misa, I take photo.
Oh, amazing order. Wait na.
Put on table.
I missed my orders. Kadaghan ba sa isa ka kuan di? Good for 3 persons. Yes po. This Caesar salad ka arang para good for 3 persons.
How about you, sir? It's a video, sir.
Gini, for enough tayo. Is it?
Very nice French food.
Okay.
So now guys, atong tilawan ng ilang Caesar salad diri sa Cebu. Wala kadaghan og kaayo. Caesar salad. Ang ilang kuan option is chicken lang, wala siya lice o ang salak. Nasulay ko ang cabbage na pula. Barat bato.
Put the sauce up
I know.
like this.
Ang ako rin di ganahan mo sa Caesar salad kay tangat ulit. Coconut oil. Agang next oil. Ano ba ka? This is oil. Hindi ko ganahan sa taste niya. Marag baboy na napanot. Grabe. Dato na ito.
You are okay? Explain to 1,000. 700.
One order is a lot.
What?
Because, so, kap na guys. Bye-bye.